Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Tunisia. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing company, and they're providing a way how you can buy cryptocurrencies. And when you're gonna register through the link down below in the description, you're gonna get $10 for free. So when you're gonna do it, you're gonna be here in dashboard, and now I can simply view Bitcoin. And what you can do is just click buy 100 euro, and I can preview buy, and I can simply buy it right with my card. And you can see right here, purchase 96 euro, and Coinbase got fee, of course. And then you would come here to portfolio, and let's say that you sold your Bitcoin and you want to withdraw it. So you come here to your balance, and now you would come here, withdraw 100 euro, continue, and insta withdraw to your bank account or credit card. So this is simply how we do it. And thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.